Hi everyone. So today we are looking at a question on integration by parts. So we are given the integral of x e to the power 6x. So we are going to apply the integration by parts method, and we know that integral of u dv is given by this formula, uv minus integral of v du. So this is the formula that we are going to apply. So from our question, we can see that u is equals to x, which means that the u over the x is equals to 1, because 1 is the coefficient of x. So differentiating x, we just get 1, and which means that the u is equals to the x. Multiplying both sides by the x, we can see that the u becomes 1 times the x, which is simply the x. And then for v, we can see that the v is equal to e to the power 6x. Just comparing, u is equal to x, the v is equal to e to the power x. So if we want to find v, we take integrals of both sides, which means that when we differentiate this one dv, we get v is equal to, we integrate this one. If we integrate this one with respect to x, we get the 1 over 6 e to the power 6x, 1 over, so there's the x here. So when we are integrating this item, we differentiate this power. When we differentiate 6x, we get 6. Then we divide by that differential to get 1 over 6 e to the power 6x. Just differentiate this to get 6x, and then you divide this whole item by the result. We're differentiating this, we get 6, and then we divide this by 6. So this is v. And then we go back to our formula. We do some necessary substitutions. We are saying integral of x e to the power 6x is equals to, we substitute u by x because we have obtained that u is equals to x. So there is x here. V, we substitute v by 1 over 6 e to the power 6x. So we have 1 over 6 e to the power 6x. And the minus integral of v, we obtain that v is equal to 1 over 6 e to the power 6x. So we put 1 over 6 e to the power 6x. Du, from this, you know that the u is simply the x. So we simplify, which is equals to, we can take this as x e to the power 6x over 6 minus, we integrate this part. So we know this is a constant. So we differentiate this. We integrate this one by differentiating the power. Like before, if we differentiate 6x, we get 6. Then that 6 is going to divide this item, or this whole item. So when 6 becomes the divisor, it will multiply this 6. So we'll be left with the e to the power 6x over that 6. So plus C. The constant of integration can choose C. So this is our integral.